Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, how you doing? Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart here on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ got the highs yesterday up there at that 20,660 area. Well, 680 is yesterday's high right there. So, and let's see what happens. The ES up there at the all-time highs right now. So interested to see what kind of move we get today. Yesterday, that big move at open, just straight up through the all-time high there on the ES. So we still have not reached the all-time high on the NASDAQ yet. So still some room to the upside for the all-time high for the NASDAQ, but waiting to see what we get here on the NASDAQ today. 15-minute chart. Got that gap. Yesterday's close down here. We got the 21 EMA and the VWAP down there on the as well on the 15-minute chart. Right now, the VWAP's there, 20,610. So let's see. Yesterday was just mini bull flag straight to the moon. So straight to the moon. Oh man. Got 10 minutes here. 10 minutes till market opens. Ooh. That 3 a.m. alarm comes early, man. That 3 a.m. alarm, it goes off and you look at it, you're like, ugh, is it really already 3 a.m.? Ugh. I got 3 more days. Well, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. So, yeah. 4 more days, kind of. We fly home Friday afternoon. So, back to Florida Friday afternoon. Oh, man. Back to the Florida land. Yeah, we're actually going skydiving tomorrow. Fuck. I didn't want to go skydiving, but Victoria wants to go skydiving before we leave Hawaii, so I guess I'm going skydiving. Damn it. Did you rent out your car or did you rent the house or lease the cars while you're gone? No, I did not. Did not do any of that. I'll be right back. Be back in 2 minutes. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. Not that big of a range overnight here on the ES. Pretty small range. About a 10-point move on the ES overnight. So pretty tight range for the overnight move. The London market and all that fun stuff. Asian. So we'll see if we get another breakout to the upside or which way we go. Got that close of day, the gap yesterday down there, 620 level. 620 is where we closed at yesterday. Right now, sitting here at the 646. It's about a 20-point pop above yesterday's close here. We got the VWAP down there at the 20,600s as well. If we look here on the hourly chart as well, looking pretty bullish. Kind of breaking out there on the hourly chart. Bull flag, I would say, from this 620 area now up there to the 640s. And we got a little less than 3 minutes till market opens. A little less than 3 minutes till market opens. Little less than 3 minutes. Oh my God. Somebody help me. Help me. Somebody help me. Somebody. Pulling back right here. Pulling back right here. For now. That pull back into the VWAP at open would be sick. Pull back to VWAP and then we bounce there and then rip to the highs. I like that idea. We got less than 2 minutes here till market opens. We got no real news today. I think there's a little bit of news later, but nothing too important. Here we go. Dipping. She's a dipping. That's 620, 611 area to the downside there. It needs to hold for the bulls, and then we see what happens here at open. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The market is open for business. There's the gap fill. VWAP down there, the 612s next. There's the VWAP touch. NASDAQ straight down here to the VWAP. See if we get this pop up off the VWAP now. Holding up there for now, right there at the 620s. Off the VWAP. Need that ES to start turning up here. ES is right there at the 5,912. See that ES to push through, and then NASDAQ to get back above the 21 EMA, get through this 3640 level up there towards that 50s. Next, let's see. Get through this 3740 level. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Up there to the 43s now, off of the VWAP here, currently off that 20 area as well with that gap fill. Some resistance popping up there at the 640s for now. Uh-oh. NASDAQ holding up here right above that close of day yesterday, still looking good. Need this push straight up here. The ES kind of holding us down with that all-time highs up there, but .21 EMA right now acting as a resistance here, but we get through this consolidating, get this breakout through the high up there 650 area, and then try to run up there 60s to the 80s. Absolutely beautiful. Up here to the 660s now. Still once more. Can you take me higher? Looking for this push up. We took the long off of the VWAP here. So looking to see if we can get through this 60 area next. You see my longs there off the VWAP. Looking for those VWAP bounce this morning. Can we get some more out of it? Pulling back here, 21 EMA again. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early night? NASDAQ holding up here for now. Right at that 21 EMA. ES very tight range here on the ES, holding the NASDAQ down, I think. Again, NASDAQ back down VWAP here. Got the 15-minute range coming to play here sooner than later. Right now, pulling back here right to that close of day yesterday. Currently, the low, that 600 kind of area on this 15-minute range. Right there at the VWAP now. ES is just kind of chopping around right now inside of like a 3 or 4 point range. We took out the overnight high already. Basically now, you know, if we get back above this 40 area, see if we're going to push up. So kind of watching to see what happens here. If we lose the 600 support, well then 560 pivot point down there is pretty easy, I think. That low of day or the overnight move here. Back up there to the 40s again. Got to get through that 40 area strong. ES is pushing up. Oh, buddy. NASDAQ holding on here. Right there, that 620 area, key level here, 620s looks like. Still sitting below this 40s, that 21 EMA right there at the 30 level. So, oh Lord, the battle is real. Getting very tight here, getting very tight. Get this 40 breakout. Let's see. Got to get through 40s for the bulls. The ES right now holding it down. Getting tight there at the 40s. Retesting the VWAP here again. Watching for that 40 area for a breakout here. If we get through that 40, should skyrocket straight up. So just watching here. You can see kind of these wicks, get through these wicks and then try to run up there towards the 60, 80s from yesterday's high. But right now, pulling back here into the VWAP again. This 620 area holding up. Got the 15-minute range set as well. 15-minute range, the low would be that 606 level. ES just kind of turned up here a little bit. ES is pushing. NASDAQ's trying to break out here. Very tight, very tight. ES is going straight up right now. If the ES makes a new all-time high, I think NASDAQ would follow through here, but market is chopping. Testing that VWAP 620 area once again. I want to see what happens here with this 15-minute range, the low here. Still holding up there, 620 area. Test that 640s again, come on. Will we break out to the upside? Getting very tight here again at the 30s. We got to go, right? We got to go up here. It's got to happen. It's got to happen. Again, stuck there at the 630s. Do 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 do. Market is so tight right now. Oh, the ES up there at the all-time high is just stuck here for now. See what happens out here at 10 o'clock maybe. Can we push? She's trying to push. Get up through this 40 area here. All right, we're looking for this follow through this 40 area now. Try to sell some of this push up here. There we go, taking a little bit of profit there. Really nice move up here through the 60s. Looking for that 60 break next. Get up right through that 60 area there. Yep. Like we said, the Patrick Wieland concepts paying the bills right now up there through the 50s. Let's see if we can take that 60 high now. Oh, Lord. Stops are basically right there, 27s. ES got denied up there at the all-time highs again. I want to see if we get a reaction here to this 21 EMA, like right now, right here. Need to get this pushed back up above the 40s. I don't like this pullback, that big old red candle pullback right there for now. We need that bounce here. Try to protect that 40 area to get this back up in the green. Just like that. Let's see if we can get up there like above 45s. I'll move my stop to like break even here maybe. Yeah, I just don't like how the ES is like pulling back right here. So I'm just going to put this, I'm going to move this up a little bit just to get stopped out here in the green, right above break even, just to, for $300 on these last 5, kind of pushing it up here. There we go, got stopped out there 45. So it's not liking how the ES is pulling back right now. ES is dumping all the way back down to the lows again. Maybe it goes, maybe it doesn't. Either way, I don't want to try to play, if you know what I mean. Either way, that 40 break was beautiful. Who got that 40 break? Who got the 40 break up there? Well, 55s. Still holding up here. The bulls trying to hold up that 620 area. For now. chop a lot. Oof, good thing I got stopped out where I did. In the money. In the money, baby. Back to the 21 EMA again here, just chopping around. Just chopping around here. ES is pulling back here, so that's why I was really just, you can see the ES made a new low here. So now, just didn't think that the NASDAQ would have the power to make that new high with the ES pulling back here for now. So $10 now. It's funny, the 15-minute range, we have not broken out of the 15-minute opening range yet. It's kind of funny. Look at those two 15-minute candles. Ding, 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 ding. Just a ping pong. Bing, 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 bing. Which way are we going to go, chat? Up or down from here? Let's do a poll. What we got? Who's got the poll? The poll right now is $55 down, 45% up. Up or down equals yes. No chop answer. All right, well, hey, you know, can't make the poll perfect. I was thinking that 40, man, we were going to break through that 40 level, and then we're going to get a nice little squeeze, kind of like yesterday's move. But the fact that the ES got stuck there, you can see the ES got stuck at the highs up here. So that Right when that happened, I was like, uh-oh, it's not good. And you can see ES pulled back here. Pulling back the NASDAQ as well. So NVIDIA, everything kind of pulling back right now. Let's see what happens. I might go back to sleep here in a minute. If we don't break out soon, I'm going back to bed. I can still go back to bed. It's 4 o'clock here. It's like I never even woke up. Like I never even woke up here. What the fuck? ES is ripping back up here, back into the range. NASDAQ's holding up. The range is real. The range is real. NASDAQ right there at the 21 EMA. ES pulling back here again. Good Lord. Oh my. Good Lord. Right in the middle of the range here. Back to the VWAP again. NVIDIA looking weak right now. NVIDIA pulling back here. ES is pretty much going nowhere. And the NASDAQ is just stuck here at the 30s. This is probably the tightest range that I've seen for an opening range in a while. What do you guys think? Tightest range in a while? about a 50-point range. Maybe it's not so tight, but it seems pretty tight. Right now, ES, NASDAQ just chopping around here, so waiting for something good to happen. Got the 15-minute opening range. Back to the VWAP again, looks like. ES trying to make new lows here. There goes the NASDAQ through the 600s. NASDAQ finally breaking that 15-minute range to the downside here. See where this candle closes at here. Could be a little trappy trap. Be a little trappy trap here. Be careful. The chop is real. Losing that 600 support now. Got that pivot point down there. 560s down there. Got that the London low down there at the 564s as well. So 564s, 560 area down there to come up. Coming up. The come up. 15-minute range break there. Market moving down. We got this pivot point just sitting down there, 560s. Market could not go up, so gravity pulling it back down. Gravity. You can see there on the 15-minute chart as well, that big break to the downside there now. And that pivot point down there, 560s. You got the London low down there, 66s. Doo-doo. Take out that London low here. We got to take out that London low there, 60s. Look for a reaction off that 60 area here. NASDAQ down there to that pivot point, down there to the London low, just like we said. Just like we said. Look at that. The low there, 62s. 64s, the London low. I think we get a little bit of support down here and kind of pop it back up and maybe look for another kind of retracement up into there, up into this area. Another bear flag setup. A little overextended right now, I would say. Really far away from that 21 EMA and all that. So we just lost all that support. So would think there'd be a little bit of a push kind of back up into this. Maybe retest 600s again, but we'll see. Need that bear flag. Don't want to get short at the bottom, you know? Don't want to get short at the bottom. Don't want to get short at the bottom. Well, oh well, the 15-minute chart paying the bills. What's funny is if you look, this is the Lux Algo market flow, trend lines, and liquidity. It's a free indicator on TradingView. If you look, we had the sell signal, this little breakdown before the 15-minute range break. It's kind of interesting. I didn't even see that. I didn't even see it. But yeah, right there, that got real tight inside that range and then got the break to the downside. The signal fired off there, and from the 28s down there to the 60s now. Love to see it. Just love to see it, you know. Another little bear flag. Little bear flag. I was hoping for just a little bit more up into here, but from the 80s back down there to the 50s, 60s now. Still going lower. From here, we've got the next level is going to be 525 area. That hourly candle low right there. Kind of took it out. I guess we kind of took out no, that's Monday's low. So we took out the overnight low here and popped it right back up here. Well, not popped it back, right. Sitting right there at that pivot point for now. Got so much crap going on. I just hate getting short when we're this far away from everything, you know, because I feel like there's just a good chance that pushes back up, stops me out, kind of bullshit. Stops me out, kind of bullshit. Right there at that pivot point, 560s. The ES moving back down here, 5,900s in play here. This is a little, not the sexiest bear flag, but if we continue to break through here, we got that 20 area to get to. Pops it back up here. Just right there at that pivot point. Just right there at that pivot point. The Bears. Bears are really trying to get this through the 50s here. Just stuck at the pivot point here for now. Pivot point acting as support for now. We got to get through this pivot. That ES is looking weak. NASDAQ wants to go. Oh, yeah, baby. We love to see it. We like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I want some more of it. Oof. ES dumping. There's that move down to the 20s. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, boys and girls. Girls and boys, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Like we said, right there through that 520 area. The bear flag playing out. Still going. Look at it. 500s now. Oh, Lord. If I had $1 for every time the trade went lower after I took profit, I'd have $1 million. I'd have $1 million if every single time if I could just do it, if I could just do it a little longer. You can see my short here. It's 557.73. Look at this. Oh, still going lower. Fucking A. The ES just fell off a cliff. Look at this fucking thing go. Are you kidding me? That's 100 points. 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 So just to recap here, if you're new to the channel, really quickly, I'm about to go back to bed here, making it too easy this morning. I like making easy money. But this is textbook. This is everything we talk about in the course, $199. If you want to check it out, you've been wasting your time. If you're confused on where to get in, where to get out, well, just to break it down, we had the 15-minute range, opening range, 15-minute opening range. We break from the downside from the 600s, and look at it go. You know. Crazy Gunter family. Why would you say you wouldn't get short there since we are so extended? I said that earlier. I said that earlier. If I say something and then 10 minutes later the market moves down, like there, you can see the bear flag set up. I was saying I don't want to get short. Look at the difference, all right? So like I don't want to get short right here. I needed more consolidation. We had that more consolidation. We got tight there, and there's that break to the downside. So yes, when the market was chopping around right here, I didn't really love it for a short. And then once we got this little denial, dang, to the downside. So but fucking hey, look at that thing. Just took it. I was thinking 520 area would be where we bounce, but the ES, look at this thing. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got 300 likes here on the stream. Wow, 300 likes. Wow. Fucking A. Oh, still going. Well, Pivot point to pivot point, baby. Pivot point to pivot point, baby. It's a remarkable move either way. Remarkable move either way. Congratulations to everybody that took that trade. Congratulations, everybody. Singing in the main, dancing in the moonlight. Everybody, baby, we are feeling so right without a sign. Everybody dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight, everybody. Oh yeah, big news. Well, I don't know about big news, but yesterday I requested a payout from Apex, $2,000 across all my accounts, and last night it says approved, or this morning it says approved. So maybe we'll get paid quickly. So we had the Top Step $25,000 payout this week. We got the $22,000 payout with Apex. And then we got about a $60,000 payout with Fast Track Trading this week as well. So that's over $100,000 in payouts. I don't want to jinx it, but we're getting close, baby. We're getting close to that $100,000 payout month right here, right now. Oh my Lord, guys, this is the end of the world. It's over. It's all going to zero. Everything is going to zero. What is happening right now?
I wish I was in my funded account.
Victoria just said, I wish I was in my funded account. She's funny. Down there to the 20,400s now. Big sell-off here. The ES, the NASDAQ, everything dumping. Dumping. You ever seen a dumper like this? That right there, boy, that's a dumper. We call that a dumper, not a frumper. It's a dumpy frumpy. Frumpy dumpy. NASDAQ in free fall mode here. The ES also in free fall mode. Free fall. All right, I would feel like there has to be some support down here at the 400s. Right? Some support down here maybe. JK, just kidding. Look at that hourly candle. You would think at some point there's going to be some type of retracement on this hourly candle, but as of right now, it is the end of the world. NASDAQ, sell, sell, sell. It's the end of the world as we know it, and I feel fine. And I feel fine. All right, market all the way down here from the fucking 560s now down there to the 20,400s. Who would have thought? Not me. Definitely not me. Would think we get some type of retracement here a little bit. Oh my God, the ES is still dumping. That's 200 points now. 200 points to the downside after that flag breakdown. Wow. And it's literally, it ain't stopping, boys.
Well, I passed another eval.
Nice work, babe. Fucking A, are you kidding me right now? NASDAQ's gone. She's gone. Into the grave. NASDAQ just dumped into the grave, boys. Into the goddamn grave. She went to hell. She went to hell. Crazy. There's just like no buyers down here. Nvidia dumped all the way down. Massive dump on Nvidia. Nvidia's literally at the 5th pivot on the day. If you look at the Nvidia chart with the pivot points, it's on the 5th pivot, which is very, very rare to happen. By the way, if you look up the stats on the idea of the 5th pivot getting hit, so that happened. That's cool. Back up here to this 80 level. Back up. Whew. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I'm literally going to bed. I'm going to bed after that. That was insane. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Why am I so sunburned today? Well, because it's still 4:43 in the morning here in Hawaii, so I'm just like, that's 3,000, what is that? 4,000 times 5, 20,000. We're up $20,000 in those XFA accounts. We're up like 5,000 in the Apex accounts. We're up another 5,000 in the fast track accounts. So like a $30,000 day. $30,000 day. Holy, and we should have made a lot. I mean, shoulda, coulda, woulda, but wow. My original short on that move, looking at it now, shorted there at the 573s. Are you kidding me? That was, oh my lord. 573 was my original short. Oh my god, why did I do this to myself? You can see the short here now. My original short there, 73s, covering into this 45, shorted it again there at the 46s, and then covered into this move to the downside there. Absolutely insane. And then actually bought this little dip here, a little pushback. I'm done. Can't do it anymore. I'm walking away. I've touched the fire. I've touched the fire today. I've touched the fire, boys. The fire has been touched, and I don't want to keep playing with it. But insane. Absolutely insane. Again, just to recap here, if you're missing out on these types of moves, the 15-minute range, look at the 15-minute range today. That might be a good lesson for us. Might be a good lesson. When that 15-minute range is that tight, expect a big move out of that 15-minute range. That 20,600 area, breaking to the downside. It is a great lesson. Very tight 15-minute range. And then look for that move. I think you also got to think, the fact that the ES is up at the all-time highs. Something to think about. ES being up at the all-time highs. Once it couldn't get through there, sellers came in there, and obviously ES dumping down takes the NASDAQ with it. You can't get into the course? What do you mean you can't? It's fine. It works. My website's down. Pfft. Fucking A. Why is the website down? Sorry, yeah. For some reason the website's down. I just text my guy. You guys, I don't know if you everybody follows me on Twitter, but yesterday posted up the payouts there. We got those payouts approved, and I'm excited. I don't really want to I don't want to hype it up too much, but I'm kind of back into that idea of opening up my own shop. So I think. What I'm thinking is I have like a little, I'm going to have my car rental business / day trading office / detail shop / customization shop, right? We got it all built in there. It's going to be just so basically what you could do is you come to the shop, you do some day trading. We turn this whole area into like a big day trading office. You got the roll up doors. I think it'd be fucking sick. I think it'd be sick. I don't know. It's pretty cool. So we're going to look at that when I get back to Florida. But yeah, basically have like a whole day trading setup in there, get some people working in there, have the exotic cars, have the detailing. It's nice because there's like a little area out back that's covered. Do your detailing there. There's like 15 parking spots. You got a whole area that's fenced in. I think it'd be a sick little, like, the Patrick Wieland fantasy factory, like my own little spot. Only $5,000 a month. Just one big old man cave. Bikini car wash. That could be a good idea. I know I keep saying I'm going to do it though. No, I'm doing it. Rips is up 15K today. Only 15? Wow, he must not be that good at trading. Rips. Rips. Rip doo 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 doo. Hadi hadu hadi da 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 da. You can see right now 4,000 in 2 accounts, 3,480 in the others, the 4.8. So I just want to do the exact math here. Do the exact math. It's like 19,000. 19,000. Pretty fucking close. I'm still up more than Rips, all right? Go tell Rips that I'm up more than him. Just everybody go tell Rips I'm up more than Rips is. It's funny. I'm funny, all right? I laugh at myself. What can I say? I'm very excited to get my fast track trading account payout. I'm interested how fast that's gonna happen. 60,000. I'm gonna get $100,000 in payouts this week. Yes. $25,000 from Top Step, $22,000 from Apex, $60,000 from Fast Track. That's over $100,000. Guess what I'm gonna buy? I'm buying a new car. I can't decide what car to buy. I can't decide. Clients will take care of your cars. Ready to change clutch every week? When I say I want to do the car rental thing, like the exotic car rentals, I'm gonna be very, very. I don't really actually want to rent them out, right? Like I don't really want to rent them, but like I would, but I don't want to. So that's the point, right? Like I'm trying to rent it as like it's not really that I want to rent them, but like I could rent them, Like I'm not gonna really like go out of my way to rent them, but I'm gonna rent them. If you know what I mean. Rent them low, rent them high. Buy a Jetta. Why would I buy a Jetta? I already got the Lambo. But you know what I mean though? Like the whole point of the exotic car rental business is not really to make money. It's just to basically justify me buying more cars. You can't rent out a rental. Yes, I know. We get it. Yes, all of my cars are rentals. It's called subletting. I'm subletting my rentals. I'm subletting. Okay? Oh, sick. Mag 14, what's your phone? NASDAQ back up off of that 320 area. There's that push back up to that pivot point now. Got the 21 EMA. So I'm going to go take a little nappy nap. And I'll be back later for a little power hour. So, oh, it's been good. It's been fun. We made some money. And now we can relax. Now we can relax. Look at it. Fuck. Look at that ripper. That move back up there. She's a runner. She's a track star. All right, I'm going to sleep. I take a nap. I'll see you guys later for Power Hour. Peace to the Middle East. Thank you guys for watching. We're working on getting the website back up. The course, you should still be able to access the course. If you already bought the course, the link still works right there, but I'll figure out what the fuck's going on. I'm trying to make money over here and the fucking website don't work. Fucking people working for me, man. I gotta get new people working for me. I can't make money when these people don't even do their jobs. They got one job and one job alone. Keep the website working. Keep the website working. Keep the money coming. And the NASDAQ back up there to the 20,440s. Did it beep me out? Beep. I don't know what the beep comes from. We're going back to Florida. We're getting rid of this mic. We're getting a new microphone. Don't worry. My microphone in Florida is way better. My microphone in Florida is way better. Apologies. All right. I will see you guys later on for Power Hour. Peace to the Middle East. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. It's been fun. Peace.